High-quality camcorders can rival modern mirrorless cameras, offering the convenience of a robust built-in zoom lens and, in many cases, superior audio options. As filmmaking cameras become available across various price points, more individuals recognize the benefits of dedicated video devices. Opting for a camcorder over a multi-purpose camera phone often proves to be a superior choice when prioritizing video quality. When shopping for the best camcorder, there are numerous factors to consider. The market spans from budget-friendly consumer camcorders to professional-grade models designed for TV broadcast journalism and documentary filmmaking. In this guide, we have curated the best options that are not only budget-friendly consumer camcorders, but professional camcorders for TV broadcast journalism and documentary filmmaking. All product links are provided in the description below. Here goes our top recommendation. 5. Canon XA65. The Canon XA65 emerges as a top choice for professionals specializing in wedding videography, providing high-quality video capture without the complexities associated with lens swapping or intricate exposure adjustments. Priced at around $2,299 or £2,000, the XA65 proves its worth by eliminating the need for additional lenses, making it a cost-effective solution for videographers focused on quick turnaround content, news coverage, or documentary production. However, its design, while practical, lacks a certain visual appeal and is not waterproof, limiting its utility in adverse outdoor conditions. In comparison to hybrid Canon cameras like the Canon EOS R6 Mark II, the XA65 may fall short in delivering superior video quality and versatile autofocus capabilities. The latter, with its ability to function as both a proficient video and still camera, outshines the XA65 in terms of overall performance. While the camera excels in versatility with various video formats and boasts professional-grade mic inputs, its drawbacks include a lack of Wi-Fi connectivity and a hybrid autofocus that might exhibit sluggish performance. Despite these limitations, the Canon XA65 remains a robust option for professionals who prioritize ease of use and comfortable handling in their videography endeavors. Despite its initial impression of being somewhat dated, the XA65 wins users over with its straightforward handling and simplicity, providing a delightful experience. While it may cater to a niche market within the shrinking traditional camcorder form factor, professionals who prioritize a compact design without sacrificing sensor size will find the Canon XA65 to be a reliable and trustworthy companion. 4. Sony FDR-AX700. The Sony FDR-AX700 is the best 4K compact camcorder on the market, featuring a 1-inch XMOR-RS CMOS sensor capable of capturing 4K video in both SDR and HLG or hybrid log gamma HDR. With a powerful 12x optical zoom lens offering a 29mm wide-angle perspective, this camcorder stands out for its versatility and high-quality video production capabilities. Equipped with a fast hybrid AF system boasting 273 points and wide coverage, the FDR-AX700 ensures quick and accurate focusing for various shooting scenarios. The inclusion of advanced phase detection AF, along with a substantial 3.5-inch viewfinder, dual SD card slots, and an instant HDR workflow with HLG encoding, further elevates its appeal among videographers. Key specifications of the Sony FDR-AX700 include a max recording resolution of 3840 by 2160 pixels, a 1.0 type XMOR-RS CMOS sensor with a total pixel count of 14.2 MP and dimensions measuring 169 by 89.5 by 196.5 mm. Weighing in at 600 grams, it strikes a balance between portability and feature-rich functionality. For videographers who prioritize ease of use, 4K video quality, and the convenience of built-in Wi-Fi, the FDR-AX700 proves to be an excellent choice. However, its larger size compared to palm-sized camcorders may be a consideration, and it may not be the ideal option for casual hobbyists. The utilization of XAVCS for both 4K and HD recording, with impressive recording speed, positions the FDR-AX700 as a top choice for keen videographers and aspiring filmmakers, particularly with the added benefit of including a standard SMPTE timecode in recording. 3. Canon Vixia HF G70. The Canon Vixia HF G70 is the best price-to-performance camcorder, featuring a 4K sensor and Digic DV6 image processor that together deliver crisp and sharp 4K UHD images. Notable features include an 8-blade aperture for achieving cinema-style out-of-focus highlights, and an on-screen display timestamp recording that embeds date, time, timecode, and other data in original camera files. With a powerful 20x optical zoom and advanced image stabilization, the HF G70 ensures versatile shooting capabilities. Its adjustable focusing speeds and advanced hybrid AF system contribute to fast and precise focus, complemented by effective face detection. Weighing 953 grams, it strikes a balance between portability and feature-rich functionality. For users seeking smooth 20x optical zoom, simple run and gun usability, and dynamic image stabilization, the HF G70 proves to be an excellent choice. However, limitations such as the lack of waterproofing, dependence on the integrated lens, and relatively modest low-light capabilities are considerations. The absence of Wi-Fi connectivity may also impact those who prioritize seamless sharing options in their content creation workflow. Priced at around $1,000, the Canon HF G70 caters to individuals within this budget range, especially those comfortable with the functionality and handling of a traditional camcorder. While enthusiasts may find alternative options like the Panasonic Lumix S5 too appealing for their interchangeable lenses and versatile filming format, the HF G70 remains a solid pick for those valuing simplicity over extensive video modes and formats tailored for intensive editing. 2. Panasonic HC-X2000. The Panasonic HC-X2000 is one of the best camcorders for professionals, offering a comprehensive bundle that includes Panasonic manufacturer accessories and additional accessories from various brands. The camcorder boasts UHD 4K capability, equipped with a 1/2.5 inches 8.29mm MOS sensor and the Venus processing engine for optimal image quality. The impressive features include a 24x optical zoom, 48x digital eye zoom, 120 fps slow motion, live RTP streaming, and a handle with 2 XLR inputs. Recording in various modes, such as MP4, MOV, or AVC HD Progressive, the HC-X2000 ensures flexibility for different projects, ranging from 720p 50 to UHD 4K 60. The manufacturer includes essential items like the Panasonic VWH-U1 detachable handle unit, AG-VBR59 battery, AC adapter, and more. Additionally, the bundled accessories enhance the camcorder's functionality, featuring a SanDisk 64GB Extreme Pro memory card, shotgun microphone, shoulder-padded carry case, 3-piece high-definition filter kit, USB memory card reader, camera tripod, and a 5-in-2 photo and video editing software package. 2 XLR professional microphone inputs, and the ability to shoot 2160p at 60 fps make it a standout choice for professional videography. 1. Sony HDR-CX405. The Sony HDR-CX405 claims is the ultimate choice for family camcorders, presenting an irresistible blend of affordability and a remarkably compact design. Priced well under $300, this camcorder incorporates sophisticated features to effortlessly facilitate the creation of polished movies. The HDR-CX405 produces high-quality 9.2MP still images. It excels in low-light conditions, reducing grain and enhancing image clarity with Sony's back-illuminated Exmor RC MOS sensor. The Exmor RC MOS sensor, strategically designed for compact cameras and camcorders, optimizes light gathering by relocating photodiodes above support circuitry, maximizing the light gathering area per pixel for superior results in lower lighting conditions. The renowned Carl Zeiss Vario Sonar T lens, a symbol of lens technology expertise, provides a high-quality 29.8mm wide-angle perspective, ensuring you capture everything you desire in the frame. Zoom capabilities are impressive, offering 27x optical zoom and an additional 54x clear image digital zoom. Clear image zoom employs advanced processing to create new pixels, resulting in realistic, high-quality images without sacrificing sharpness. The innovative 3-way shake canceling adds electronic roll stability, contributing to an even smoother video recording experience. Sony's face detection technology brings a family-friendly touch by automatically distinguishing between children and adults. Detecting up to 8 individual faces, it adjusts flash, focus, exposure, and white balance to deliver crisp, properly lit images of family and friends, making it an ideal choice for capturing precious family moments. While lacking an external microphone input, the HDR-CX405 compensates with features like face detection with voice enhancement and noise reduction. Thank you for watching. If you found this video useful, please like, share, and subscribe for more product recommendations.